Hey guys, so in this tutorial I will show you how to convert BTC to USDT using Binance without any fees. Okay, so the first step of course will be to log in into your Binance account, and after that we can go to wallet and overview. Okay, so after that you will see that I have $3.99 in BTC and I want to convert them into USDT. Okay, so it's very important for you guys to note that inside our wallet we have two different wallets. We have the funding wallet and we have the spot wallet. The spot wallet works for trading and the funding wallet works for peer-to-peer and Binance Pay. Okay, so in my case I have all my assets inside the funding wallet, but at the end of the tutorial I will show you how to change your money between or your assets between different wallets. Okay, so let's go to our funding wallet, and as you can see we have the option that says convert. We can click here and we need to select the coin, or in this case will be USDT we want to convert. But as you can see, Binance offers you like a lot of different assets to convert to, but in my case I just want to use USDT. Okay, so after that you will see the rate of conversion. This might change with the time, but don't worry. And we can click on convert, and after that you will see that we have 0 fees or no fees. Okay, and we will see the final rate. We hit on confirm conversion. Okay, if this happens we can just F5, like reload the website, convert, and I want to convert from BTC to USDT. Okay, so let's put the, well, we can, if we go here it will put the maximum, but yeah, we need to select USDT. Okay, click on convert and we can confirm the conversion, and as you can see it's already done. We have converted our assets between one to another, and this could work in the other way, so no worries. Okay, so how we can change our for example, how we can send our assets between wallets? Very simple. We need to put our mouse on top of these 3 dots and you will see the option that says transfer. We click here, and as you can see we have the funding wallet and we are sending our money to the fiat and spot wallet. I will put, like, for example, $5, I don't know. We can click on confirm, and as you can see it has said transfer successful. And if we go to spot we will search our $5 in this, and the same process is to change from spot to funding. We put our mouse here and you will see the transfer option, but you need to be very careful in this case because as you can see it will automatically send it to another wallet which is called cross margin. So we click here and we select funding and we will put our maximum, and we can click on confirm, and we already have our $5 in our funding account. So that's it guys, I hope you like it. Goodbye.